Hey guys, this is the new Eskiin shower head that I purchased. You've probably seen it, it's going viral everywhere. I bought it, just wanted to test it out, see how it comes, how it does. So here's the unboxing. I got the black color to match as best as I can with my hardware that I have here at my house. This is gonna be, it looks like it's gonna be a filter or a reducer. Three-minute installation guide. Step 1, step 2, step 3. Pretty simple. We'll follow it here in a bit. Your Teflon tape. Also even provides his own tool, which is good. And then here's the actual thing itself. So you're supposed to do verify that the filter is installed. Just open this up. So that's your filter right there. And there's a O-ring, seems. He puts it back in. It's in there flat. Righty tighty. So let's go and let's go check, install this, see how hard it is. So this is my shower head. I'm going to verify that the water's turned off, and then basically lefty loosey, go all the way and keep on, spit it off. There it is. I'll clean up this Teflon tape that we have here. And you see how it's coming off. It was coming off in this direction. We need to make sure when we apply the Teflon tape, we apply it the right direction as well. So then you're gonna find the Teflon tape. You can roll some off, and then you're gonna apply it. When you apply Teflon tape, you wanna go clockwise around. You want to get all the threads. You want it to be tight. You can go 3-4 rounds, doesn't really matter. But keep it tight, keep it clockwise. All right, so then there's my flow restrictors in there. My Teflon's on, and all I'm gonna do is thread it on. Lefty loosey, righty tighty.
you'd like, just pick up this Teflon, find this Teflon piece and pull it off, and then it will cut perfectly right here. So you won't be able to see that Teflon.